So Coinbase is affectionately called a crypto exchange, and sometimes people might even call this a centralized exchange because it's controlled under one entity. And this basically allows you to buy crypto using cash. And so one of the major menu items is payment methods. So you want to be able to pay for crypto that you're buying. And I tried a couple of ways. I tried linking it to my checking account. And so what it does is that it uses Plaid to automatically try to connect my bank to Coinbase. And when I'm entering, the first thing I need to enter it is give it my, Plaid needs to know my bank username and password, which was a little freaky. And then later on, it needs to know the routing number and account number. So it's very personal here. And it didn't work. And then the second method was manual, which basically means entering the same amount of information. And this Plaid / manual method of linking my checking account didn't work. And so the second one is to just give it my debit card, and this worked. Okay, so now that Coinbase has my debit card, then I can now go ahead and do buy and sell. So what I decided to do is I wanted to buy ETH. And so I go into the menu, and then I said I wanted to buy $25 worth of ETH, and $1.49 is the Coinbase fee, and then which means that only $23.51 is into ETH, and at the current rate, it's got about 0.39267 ETH. And so now I officially own this ETH, and it's held in this as a primary balance, or sometimes when you skip through the menu, it will be called my ETH wallet. Okay, so one of the ways I could more securely store this ETH and so put it out there so I can send and receive is I can put it into a vault. Vault. Okay, one of the more secure ways I could do hold on to my ETH is use a vault feature in Coinbase. So basically during a setup, I get to pick a vault name, and then also the number of approvers, and then it's either 1 or 2 plus. And if it's 1, then it still needs 2 emails. And so this is the option I took. And so once I set up the vault, then the next step is then I transferred money from the primary balance, which is shown up there, and then transferred it into the vault. And I transferred 0.007 ETH, and then you'll see that later on. So now voila, I have my vault. Okay, so once I have the primary balance account set up, once I even have it a vault, then eventually I want to be able to send and receive. Now this is where it gets a little bit more steps are involved. So to send and receive, first it needs to verify ID, and so it needs your California driver's license front and back. And then number 2, it needs for you to take a selfie with the laptop you're on. Okay, and once you're past that, then you're able to send and receive. And so on the receive side, for instance, I want to receive, then you can have it sent to your ETH vault, or you can have it sent to the ETH wallet. And then these each have its own different address. This one's OX1C. This one is OXFA. And then to send, you can send it from your Ethereum wallet. And you just enter the destination address. Now, on the vault side, to put money out of it or to put money into it, this is called add to vault. And then this is called withdraw from vault. Okay. And then if you're adding to vault, you can do it from two different sources. You can add it from an Ethereum address, or you can do it from your accounts or your wallets. This is where the terminology gets a little confusing. And then if you're withdrawing from, then you enter, this is interesting, so you enter the address. And then 2, you'll receive an SMS to enter 7-digit code to verify that you do want to send this. So in a nutshell, Coinbase is a crypto exchange that allows you to pay to buy a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth. And once you buy it, you can store that into a vault, or you can just let it stay in your primary balance ETH wallet account. Either ways, you can send or receive ETH and Bitcoin. So this is a quick talk of Coinbase.